Okay, this is a video of my remote control car. Very nice. So quick, it's so blurry. Okay, this is a short video of my remote control car. Very nice. Short off-road, short course electric car. Okay, here's the main body where the batteries connect to the engine. As you can see, I've just started the engine, just warming up. Played with it outside quite a few times. As you can see, the tyres well treaded, suspension very soft, four-wheel drive, basically impossible to get stuck. Problem is, I can't really turn to the right a lot, only to the left a lot. Very fast. One of the fastest remote control cars ever, I think. Very nice. It is really good. Very tough. As you can see, the main part. And I'll be just 2 seconds getting the body. Here it is, my body for my car. Very nice, blue, white, black. Very nice. Haven't put this on, actually on, but still very nice. I can hear the engine right now. Made of aluminium, very light and very hard. I really like this car. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.